So we have to change the pipe.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I trust you. Get my car out or
Okay.
I'll open the garage.
Oh, it's full of grease in here. This pipe never been cleaned. Old decomposed gunk. Oh my god, look at that gunk, look at that grease. This is literally a grease. From your soap, detergent, everything. You just have to clean these pipes. It's simple. Ay, ay, ay. No, Mom, this way. Oh, I'm just wishing you to smell what I'm smelling right now. This is some nasty shit, man. I'm just shivering right now. Okay, now I'm gonna put my camera down there. Let's see what's going on. This pipe is completely full of grease. This is crazy, man. You guys have to maintenance these pipes. Look at this. This pipe is almost gone. Look at this crazy thing. It's covered in grease. Oh my god. It's time for you to retire. This thing completely gone. Rotted out from each other. You definitely need some time off.
Maybe.
이거 뭐 잘라놓고 그거 못이고 이렇게 삐져.
This is stuffed up 100%. You think that pipe is broken? In the wall? This pipe's are in such a bad condition. It's ridiculous. This pipe is canceled. We're just gonna cap it. this pipe is completely gone. Oh my god. Where's the other one? Oh my god, look.
Oh, it is good.
Look, you got disconnected.
It's fucking loose too.
We don't have any problem. I don't know why it's backing up. I don't know why there's water leaking everywhere. Well, it's because of this. Look, that pipe is broken too on the wall. Everything is broken inside. Poquito más. Work it, don't worry.